Now make the belly using all the techniques you already know. Match the belly to the body stitch by stitch. Use the belly's yarn tail to start sewing. Insert the needle into any back loop of the last round of the body, the inner loop. Then go through the front loop of the belly where the yarn tail exits. Pass through the next front loop of the belly and then into the next back loop of the body. Repeat the same pattern. Go through the body back loop, then back into the same belly front loop. After that, go through the next belly front loop and into the body back loop. It's time to add the stuffing. Grab the fluffy stuffing from the pouch. Take a piece, fluff it up, and remove any clumps. Start laying it inside the plush bit by bit until the plushie feels full. Finish sewing the belly to the body and add more stuffing if needed before you sew it completely. Hide the yarn tail. Guide it through the belly in the nearest stitch, then bring it out through any other stitch on the belly. Make one more stitch to secure the yarn. Then cut the working yarn. Push the remaining yarn inside the body